went down to the shop yesterday, and me, Emily, Angus, and Jared test drove the mopeds around Diamond Head. Anyways. After that, I'd wanted to get a moped ever since I started going to school here. But then we got jobs, so we need transportation, and I test drove one, and it was just a dream. And so I decided today I would just go ahead and buy one, so that's what I did.
Online, like it's Amazon.
Yeah, no, I paid for it online, and we're gonna go pick it up tomorrow. And they're coming with me. And then we're gonna be like the cool kids driving around town.
We were walking through the quad, and I was with one of my boys, and the girl was doing this thing where she'd run up and she'd jump on me, and since I was a stout young man, you know, I wouldn't fall over. She'd just jump on me, and I'd be like, babe, get down, stop messing around, you know? And so this one time, she was running up behind me, and I heard her coming.
Okay.
You know? And so I see her, and I duck like this, and she jumps and hits me, and just like totally eats shit on the concrete, like totally just falls. And she's like totally cool. Me and my boy were just like, what is going on? Like, this is crazy. And the yard duty was like, like, why is the girl on the ground? Like, you guys fighting? I'm gonna have to report this. Yeah, she kind of stopped doing that whole jump on me thing after that.
Watch.
Oh, he attack! Not getting on this one.
What do you mean? Copyright. Angus. I'm not gonna get paid for this.
Do I just have to sing it?
Yeah.
Like ASMR.
Yeah.
In the background, it's just like.
He's like chewing the boba. He's like,
We're rolling.
okay. So the last clip you guys probably saw was Angus recording me and Emily driving down the street in front of our dorms. We drove all the way to get boba. Emily drove. I was on the back. I was praying for my life a little bit, but she's a good driver, right? Yeah. And Angus rented a beaky bike and followed us. And you can see the moped's right over there. We're keeping a close watch on it because we didn't lock it to anything.